A common question I get in workers' compensation is, what is a QME/AME? QME stands for Qualified Medical Evaluator. AME stands for Agreed Medical Evaluator. The difference between the two is very simple. A QME is obtained by a list issued by the state of California in which the parties each strike one name. There's a total of 3, and the one remaining becomes the QME on the case. An AME is an agreement on a doctor between the two parties that will be used to determine the case. The reason we go to QMEs/AMEs is to resolve disputes in a case. The first doctor that an injured worker will see is a primary treating physician, or PTP, how we like to call them. That doctor is the gatekeeper. That doctor recommends treatment, determines whether the individual can return back to work, and things of that nature. If either side, the defense or the applicant side, disagrees with one of the findings of the PTP, that is when the QME/AME process starts. In getting a QME, we have to send a request to the state of California. Once that list is issued, there'll be 3 names on that list. If the injured worker is represented, the attorney for the injured worker will cross one of the names out, and the insurance company will cross another name out, and will be left with 1 name. If the injured worker is not represented, the injured worker is allowed to choose any one of the 3 names on that list as their QME, but that must be done within the first 10 days of receipt of the list. If that is not done, then the insurance company will be able to choose the doctor, which you do not want. QMEs can be biased. They can be insurance-driven or they can be injured worker-driven. So it is extremely important that you pick the right QME. That can substantially affect the value of your case and the type of treatment that you receive. Call us. We have over 20 years of experience in dealing with workers' compensation cases. Don't get stuck with a bad QME.